Puja has always been a stepping stone, be it bhakti, be it tantra. Puja is always a stepping stone to reach to a state within. If puja is done with full involvement, with deep involvement, where everything about you is in integrity and involvement, that puja, the quality of that puja leads you to a space where slowly the external puja becomes irrelevant. The most important ingredient of the puja is not the items that you have in puja. Water, flower, fragrance. This is not important. The most important ingredient in puja is the integrity of involvement, which means it's not just that your mind is aligned, your intention is aligned, but the core of you should have only one intention, and that is this puja, my deity, this involvement. How deeply you involve, how integrated your involvement is, how one, how akhand your involvement is. That defines the right puja. Let's say you don't have an ingredient of the puja, doesn't matter. The very intent of offering that ingredient or that particular element makes the offering happen. It's a very gross way of looking at puja that we need just the ingredients. Because somewhere you don't know what is the value of your own Manas Shakti. Your own Manas Shakti is of highest value. Your own devotion, the purity of your intent, and most importantly, the integrity of your whole in the puja is very important. When you start doing the puja daily, like that, slowly you reach to a space where doing the puja becomes irrelevant. For example, you do the puja to Shiva on daily basis, there will come a point where the puja experience will be like very slow. First, the experience will slow down. It will not feel like you've done the puja for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You'll forget the time. You'll just sit there. And there'll be no thoughts in you. When you do the puja, you settle into the space after puja. Every puja, you finish the puja, you sit. Just simply sit. Don't do anything. You will observe every second day, third day, fourth day. Depends on people, but generally, over a period of time, incrementally, you will see the way you're sitting after the puja, the way your interiority is after the puja will change. And the more and more you keep on doing the puja with that integrity of involvement, the external puja becomes irrelevant, and the way you're sitting after the puja becomes so deeply still. The thoughts become steady. Deity becomes everything. You just simply sit. The sitting itself becomes like this, that you yourself realize that there is no need of doing all this now. I think when I just sit with my eyes closed and I just intend that everything is offered, it's offered. There is a way to reach to this state of stillness, slowly, gradually, incrementally. What we do is we do the puja and just leave. That's not how it is. How you do the puja and waiting after the puja, these are two very, very important steps.